Hope you all are safe and healthy. Let's start today's session. But before that, let's quickly recall what we have seen in previous lesson. There are 4 types of sentences: assertive, interrogative, imperative, and exclamatory. Assertive sentences are of 2 types: affirmative and negative. There are 2 types of questions: WH questions and yes/no questions. Sentences express request, command, advice, entreaty are called imperative sentences. Exclamatory sentences express strong feeling of joy, sorrow, etc. Assertive, interrogative, and imperative sentences can be both affirmative and negative. Exclamatory sentences are always affirmative sentences. Now let's see the structures of different kinds of sentences. First is assertive sentence. Subject plus verb plus object is the structure of assertive sentence, SVO. The structure of interrogative sentences: first, WH question, WH word plus verb plus subject plus rest of the sentence and question mark. The structure of yes/no question is helping verb will come first, then subject, main verb, and rest of the sentence and question mark at the end. Now let's see the structures of exclamatory sentences. First we will see with what will come in the beginning of the exclamatory sentence, then article a or an, adjective or adverb plus subject plus verb and exclamatory mark. Second, how adjective or adverb plus subject plus verb and exclamation mark at the end. There are 5 steps to convert from assertive sentences into interrogative sentences. Let's see. Step 1 is to identify subject and the verb. Verb can be main verb or helping verb. Okay, find out that in the sentence. Second step is to remove words like very, greatly, so, extremely, etc. if used in the sentence. Identify them and cross them. We will not write such words in exclamatory sentences. Third, add how or what in the beginning. Step 4, move subject and verb at the end of exclamatory sentence. And step 5 is to write exclamation mark. Let's practice. Now I want to show you the list of verbs. First is to be verbs: am, is, are, was, were. Auxiliary verbs are do, did, does, has, have, had, will, shall, can, could, etc. Main verbs forms are different: joins, got, made, V1, V2, V3, playing, cut, etc. Very much important to recognize the verb in the sentence. Now, one important clue for you. While converting an assertive sentence into exclamatory sentence, remember, if an assertive sentence has article a or an used in it, then for exclamatory sentence use what. Okay, and if a sentence doesn't have a or an in it, then your exclamatory sentence will start with how. See the first example, it's in assertive. Yuvraj is a great fielder. Let's change this to exclamatory. Step 1 is to identify subject and verb in a sentence. Yuvraj is subject and is a helping verb. So underline both the words. Then see, article a is used in this sentence. So our exclamatory sentence will begin with what? After what article a is written, then adjective great, noun fielder is written, and at the end subject and verb are written. An exclamation mark is written. Our answer is, what a great fielder Yuvraj is. See, in exclamatory sentence, subject is written before the verb, right? Yuvraj is. See the next example. Sunidhi sings very well. Step 1 is followed. Sunidhi is subject and sings is a verb. Both words are underlined. See, in our exclamatory sentence, we have not written very. We have crossed the word very. And as no article is used in assertive sentence, so we have started our exclamatory sentence with how. How well Sunidhi sings. Both subject and verb are placed at the end and exclamation mark is written. How well Sunidhi sings. I repeat, in exclamatory sentences, subject is followed by verb. One more sentence for you. You are wearing a gorgeous sari. You is subject, are wearing verb. Subject and verb are placed at the end in exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence begins with what, as article a is used in assertive sentence. Then adjective is written. Then sari, noun is written. Subject and verb, an exclamation mark at the end. What a gorgeous sari you are wearing is the answer. This much for today. Thank you.